Right, today's going to be about the bonnet. We're going to see how much of this rubbish we can remove, and obviously see if we can't get it a little bit better. Well, a lot better, I would say. It's going to be treated the same as the roof. We're going to flat it first, try and get it down, and then repolish it. See what difference it makes. So I'll be back later. Bye. Well, I've been at the bonnet all day and it's took some getting down, but this is after the second stage polish of this side of the bonnet. Now I've still got to wet flat this section, but I'm sure you'll agree now that there's a little bit of a difference in the reflections. It's never going to be perfect, but yeah, at least it isn't as horrible as that. But you'll be able to see edges of the wings have still got to be done. Well, the whole wings and the whole car, but it's very time consuming. The preparation is the key. The longer and better the preparation, the better the finish will be. Unfortunately, this has got lack of pop in it, which goes down too deep for me to get completely out. But I think after a third stage polish, you know, we'll start getting somewhere, you know, reasonable, and you won't fall over the first time you see the car. I've had to hand flat the scuttle panel. That was just as bad. I removed the washer jets so that I could flat it with a block to get them more level, and you know, it's a pretty decent result considering how bad these things are. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Enjoy the video. Any comments or any questions, just ask. And see you on the next one.